Hello everyone, today I will show you how to customize Threads chat theme, and here's how it is done. To set your desired chat themes for your friends and loved ones, start by opening your device App Store, either the App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Search for Instagram and ensure the app is up to date. If you see open instead of update, you are all set. If not, update the app to the latest version. Once your app is up to date, launch Instagram and tap on the direct messages icon in the top right corner to access the chat where you want to change the theme. Click on the name at the top of the chat screen to open a new page where you can customize the chat. Next, look for the theme option located just below the username of the person you are chatting with. Tap on it and you will see a list of theme choices. Pick your preferred theme and keep in mind that this change will also be visible to the other person in the chat. If you cannot find the theme option, follow these steps. Return to your home screen. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner and access the menu by tapping the three bars in the top right corner. From there, select Settings, tap on Help, and click Report a Problem. Choose Don't Include and select Screenshot to capture an image showing that the theme option isn't appearing. Return to the Help section and describe the issue. Then click Send. Instagram support team should respond within a few days to assist you. And that is everything you need to know about how to customize Threads chat theme. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.